Dali kasing maging matapang. Ang problema, paano kung tayo papatulan? The military capability of China is very vast. They have between 1,200 to 1,500 fighter planes, including 4th generation fighters, J-10, J-16, J-7 variants, and 5th generation J-20. Yung ating pong ginagamit na Korean-made na eroplano, baka pagka nadaanan ng fighter plane ng China, hindi na kailangan na gagamitan ng missile, baka bumagsak. They have around 7 to 9,000 tanks, 4 active aircraft carrier, 6 conventional submarines, 12 nuclear-powered ones, 10 ballistic missile subs. Eh tayo, bangka lang, may mga katig pa. The People's Liberation Army numbers between 1.7 to 2.2 million. At kaya ko lang ito nabanggit dahil na I believe we have to proceed with caution. And if there is a diplomatic way to resolve the problem, then we should do it. Nabanggit kanina, wag na natin idaan sa military na away, sa ekonomiya na lang. If China decides that all Filipinos working in China should be repatriated back to the Philippines, what will happen to all those people working in China? If China decides that dito na lang po sa atin, we know that almost 70% of the Philippine economy are controlled by Filipinos of Chinese descent. So, I believe that na kailangan talaga ng masusing pag-aaral at mag-ingat rin sa ating sinasabi. While I don't want to be perceived as being pro-China. Ako po ay gusto ko lang maging realistic. If we think that the U.S. defend the Philippines in case, we might be up for a big surprise because I doubt it if the U.S. will come to the defense of the Philippines. I love our country and I don't want us to be, I don't want to see this country go down the wrong path. And I want us to tread carefully. Dahil we have to choose the fights that we want to go into. We cannot be remiss in our duty. If we want to protect the Philippines, then let's protect it. Kanina nabanggit ng ating kasamahan Congressman Nabante that China should respect us. But respect is not us. It is earned. And I think we will earn it if we show that we deserve that respect from these other countries.